Adhlacadh de Bealtaine for Francis Hughes as bhealach bhás. Níola is chuige de chrosco. Inis a 8 mblianas fiche, bhí si de chliú gur bean fear a bhó tóir in Éirinn ag na fórsaí Slándála.
In many a way, his death was a relief. A relief we felt for Francis. His suffering was over. It was a relief for the family. The family had got peace of mind knowing that he was at peace. Francis' remains was taken to Foster Green Hospital for a post-mortem. We all gathered at Foster Green to accompany his remains to bhealach.
The mortuary police refused to release the coffin to prevent it being exploited by Republican demonstrators.
It was one occasion in my life where I was frightened. Really, really frightened. The brutality of the RUC was unreal. And they suggested that they would take Francis' coffin out of the hearse and dump it along the road or burn it. They were so evil.
Now, can you give me a reasonable explanation why we cannot go the traditional route, which we take every day?
Stuart! Stuart! Come on, get back! Quick!
Bobby Sands died a week ago and the British government did not relent. Do you believe that your brother's death will make any difference to their attitude?
Hopefully, yes. But I would just like to say that Margaret Thatcher, the British government, has murdered my brother. Francis' blood is in Margaret Thatcher's hands.
Adhlacadh Francis Hughes, scap and farag am asking phobal nationally do Éirinn.